Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to pay for Netflix using Gcash. Now you need to go to your Netflix website or open the app, sign into your Netflix account and tap on your profile and go to account settings. Now you need to select change plan if you want to switch packages, or choose a desired subscription plan, that is basic, standard or premium. Now you need to tap on manage payment info or add payment method. Select credit or debit card. Next, open your Gcash app, log into the Gcash account, go to Gcash Mastercard or Gcash Amex Virtual Pay, copy your virtual card details, that is card number, expiry and CVV. Then you need to return to your Netflix payment page, paste your Gcard virtual card info in the required fields, tap save or stop membership. Now Netflix will charge the amount from your Gcash wallet. Make sure your Gcash has enough balance. Your Netflix subscription will now be active. Here's an important note. Always maintain a small extra balance to avoid failed payments. And if payment fails, double check your Gcash card details. You can switch to a different card or try again later. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.